Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals have known about, however, don't actually have any idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin's side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. Notwithstanding, it has shown a great deal of commitment and is presently one of the 30 greatest cryptographic forms of money on the planet. Likewise with some other cryptographic money, it is difficult to say regardless of whether Bitcoin money will be a wise venture. However, its high market cap and strong specialized establishment, also as incredible possible ease of use, can assist with keeping its cost above water in the event that the market slumps. Bitcoin Money Audit. Bitcoin Money is a hard fork of Bitcoin. The coin split from the first convention back in 2017 in the midst of rising worries about versatility, slow exchange speed, and high expenses. Furthermore, there is a contention in the Bitcoin people group encompassing the genuine motivation behind the coin, which Satoshi Nakamoto framed just like a really decentralized shared computerized installment technique. Numerous members felt like the first Bitcoin didn't address those values any longer. Be that as it may, the Bitcoin money of today isn't the very same coin it was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV. The fork was made on the grounds that the local area differ on the fate of the digital money, specifically as to impede size. At first, BCH had a block size breaking point of 8 megabytes. This permitted the coin to bring down its expenses and increment its exchange throughput. From that point forward, its block size has expanded considerably more and is equivalent to 32 megabytes right now. Notwithstanding the advantages this coin can give, there are many things that stand among BCH in significance. First and foremost, there's the first Bitcoin. Most financial backers actually pick it over the more in fact progressed Bitcoin money. Besides the fact that BCH ignored just like a beneficial speculation. However, it is additionally not being viewed remotely close as in a serious way as BTC with regards to regular utilization. Numerous commercial centers still just acknowledge BTC as installment, leaving out all the altcoins. We believe the absence of use for its planned designs is the second snag that hinders BCH cost development. While, in principle, this coin has a great block limit, which prompts high exchange throughput. Truly, just a little level of BCH is effectively being utilized, under 5%. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 to 2030. Our ongoing BCH to USD cost update shows the ongoing Bitcoin money cost as $133.17 USD. According to our Bitcoin money cost forecast, BCH cost is supposed to have a 0.56% diminishing and drop as low as by WAC 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the nonpartisan bullish 65% market feeling on Bitcoin money, while the trepidation and ravenousness list is showing a score of 64. Over the most recent 30 days, Bitcoin money has had 15 30th green days and 6.94% cost instability. As a famous, deep-rooted digital money with a strong specialized establishment and an extraordinary local area backing it, Bitcoin money does, in principle, can possibly go to the moon again soon. Notwithstanding, that will really rely on how the digital currency market acts in the following couple of months and how it answers any expected guidelines. On the off chance that all works out positively, and the crypto market keeps on following the direction it laid out for itself in 2017 to 2021, then BCH will have development potential and will be a wise venture. Cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin money, which work with speedy and proficient crypto exchanges, additionally stand to acquire a great deal in the event that computerized monetary forms become the standard in regular installments. Here is our provisional Bitcoin money figure for 2022 to 2030. If it's not too much trouble, note that this isn't venture counsel, and make sure to do your own examination prior to trading any digital currencies. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin money costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitcoin money will be $162.74. The greatest level that the BCH cost can reach is $186.43. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $167.54. Possible return for money invested. 59.9% by BCH value figure for WAC 2023 in light of the value variances of Bitcoin money toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $125.96 in WAC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $115.17 and at $129.56. Separately, expected return for capital invested, 11.1% by April 2023. Bitcoin money value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the BCH cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $124.94, while the most extreme could reach $134.60 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin money may be around $129.74. Expected return for money invested. 15.5% by BCH value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Bitcoin money in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal BCH rate they foresee may be around $133.64 in May 2023. It can drop to $127.64 as a base. The greatest worth may be $141.09. Expected return for capital invested. 21% by June 2023. Bitcoin money value estimate around mid-year 2023. The BCH cost will be exchanged at $136.31 by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin money worth to $146.44. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $130.31 in June 2023. Likely return for money invested. 25.6% by BCH value figure for July 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Bitcoin money costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023, $140.40. The most minimal and top BCH rates may be $134.40 and $153.24. Likely return for capital invested. 31.5% by August 2023. Bitcoin money value estimate. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the BCH cost will be around $146.02. In August 2023, the Bitcoin money cost might drop to at least $141.22. The normal pinnacle worth may be $160.26 in August 2023. Possible return for money invested. 37.5% by BCH value figure for September 2023. Having broke down Bitcoin money costs, digital currency specialists expect that the BCH rate could arrive at a limit of $166.10 in September 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $145.60. For September 2023, the anticipated normal of Bitcoin money is almost $150.39. Possible return for money invested. 42.5% by October 2023. Bitcoin money value figure around mid-2023. The Bitcoin money cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $156.40. Crypto experts expect that in October 2023, the BCH cost could change somewhere in the range of $151.60 and $172.12. Likely return for capital invested. 47.7% by BCH value estimate for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Bitcoin money worth won't dip under at least $155.10. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $178.38. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of